This video will help you with Jasper Active Lesson 3, Manage Tables and Lists, and it will help you with the fourth exercise titled Learn to Convert Text to a Table. Learn to convert text to a table. At this point, you should be used to signing into Jasper Active, but as a reminder, you can access it by going to Rapid Identity, Office 365, Word, and a new blank document. When you sign into your new blank document, the right side of the page, you can click the three dots, wait just a moment for it to load, and Jasper Active will show up at the bottom. All right. Then choose Lesson 3, Manage Table and Lists, and the fourth exercise, Learn to Convert Text to a Table. Wait for the document to load. And this is another interactive assignment, so click along with me. Let's glance at this side, how many sections we have. We have 1 section, 2, and 3 sections. So let's click to start. Here we go. So in this exercise, we will convert text to tables and vice versa. We'll convert tables back to text. So sometimes you might want to have change a document created with tabs into a table to make it adding and changing data a little easier. So the program already selected all the text for us. We're going to go to the Insert table, and we're going to click on Table, and at the bottom we're going to look for Convert Text to Table. So Insert tab, Table, Convert Text to Table. In the Number of Columns field, we're going to type 3, Enter. And in the Separate Text at section, we're going to click Tabs. We're going to click this little circle for tabs. So that we're saying take our text and turn it into a 3-column table that's separated at the tabs. Okay, and there we have our 3-column table. We're going to go and click on the Table Tools Design tab. So Table Tools Design, and we're going to click the arrow for borders. Here's borders on the right, and change it to no border. It automatically put borders in. Now we're changing it to no border. We're going to click on the left side of ABC Insurance, and we're going to go to the Layout tab. Now, this is tricky because there are 2 layout tabs. We want the Table Tools Layout tab since we're working on a table. And we're going to click the button to merge cells. So instead of 3 separate cells, it will just be 1 cell. And we're going to do the same for the Income Statement row. So click Income Statement and merge cells. All right, section 2. The properties here refers to options for overall table layout. So tables can have different properties. So on the same tab where we are on the far left, there is a Properties button. Click Properties. And on the Table tab that is already showing, we're going to click Center. And we're going to click Preferred Width. And in that box, we're going to type 5. Enter. Text wrapping is already set to none, but we'll click it again. And then we're going to go to the tab towards the top of this little box that says Alt Text. And we're going to type Income Statement. I'm just going to copy and paste it, and we're going to put it in the title field. Income Statement. You can type it, it's all lowercase, or you can copy and paste and press Enter. If you copy and paste, make sure you do not include any extra spaces. In the description box, we're going to copy and paste or type ABC Insurance Report from step number 6. Please check your spaces, see if there's any extra spaces at the beginning or the end. Press Enter. And click OK. All right, now it says to consider hiding the grid lines, which appear on the screen as a guide. I don't see the grid lines actually, but we're going to go in the table group. We're going to click on View Grid Lines. There we go. Now we can see the grid lines. And then we're going to click it again to turn it off. Our last section. Now we're going to convert a table back to regular text mode. It doesn't work with all documents very well, but we're going to do it this one. So we're going to click to the View tab, and we're going to click Switch Windows. On the View tab, we're going to go to the Switch Windows button, which is towards the right. And then we're going to click on TA Status Update. This just means we have another file open. So we clicked back to this other file. We're going to click on the Table Tools Layout tab. And at the top of the table, we're going to click the Table Selector icon. So on our document, this is the little box in the top right corner that looks like a plus sign. So on the document, click that little box in the top left of the table. And we are going to go to the right side of this tab and click on Convert to Text. Convert to Text. We're going to ask that it convert it based on the tabs. So click the bubble for tabs and click OK. So now it no longer is in a table, now it's just text. So scroll a little bit. It's a little messy, you might notice. So we're going to click the undo button in the top left corner to send it back to the table. And you have now finished this lesson. Click Finish, wait for the page to load so you get credit for it, and then click Back to My Lesson. You've now just completed the 4th exercise.